In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access token on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to safely retrieve your token so you can connect your store to apps or custom integrations. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into your store's admin. Make sure you're using an account that has permission to manage apps and settings. From the admin dashboard, look towards the lower left corner and click Settings. This is where Shopify groups many of the controls you'll need for store configuration. Inside Settings, open the Apps section. Depending on your interface, it may appear as Apps and Sales Channels. Here, you'll see the tools that manage your store's integrations. Click Develop Apps. If you're doing this for the first time, Shopify may ask you to enable app development and accept a warning about granting API access. Read it carefully and proceed once you're comfortable. Next, click Create App. You'll be prompted to enter an app name. Choose a clear, descriptive name so you and your team immediately recognize its purpose later. You'll also see fields for app developer details. Fill those in accurately to keep your records organized. Then click Create App to proceed. Once the app is created, go to its settings to manage permissions and obtain the token. In the app's configuration area, find Admin API access scopes or a similar section. This is where you choose what data and actions the app can access. Select only the permissions your integration actually needs. Granting fewer scopes is safer and helps protect your store's data. After selecting the appropriate scopes, save your changes. Now head to the API credentials section within the same app. Shopify may prompt you to install the app on your store before revealing credentials. Follow the on-screen prompt to complete the installation. After it's installed, you'll see an option to reveal your Admin API access token. Click Reveal token once and copy it immediately. For security reasons, Shopify shows this token only one time. Store it in a secure password manager or a secrets vault, and avoid sharing it in emails, chat logs, or public repositories. That's it. You opened Shopify, navigated to Settings, went into Apps, used Develop Apps to create app, entered the app name and developer details, and then used the app's settings to set permissions and obtain the access token. Use this token in your integrations configuration as instructed by your tool or code, and rotate it if you suspect exposure. Thanks for watching, and take care to keep that token safe.